Hi everyone, it's me again, Stephanie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make Haitian white rice. We're gonna cook it the Haitian way. First of all, let's just take our scale and put it on ounces, and we're gonna measure the rice. If you have a cup, like a measuring cup, you can use that. But I order mine, it hasn't come in yet. Okay, we have about 25.64. Let's just round it up. Let's just say 26. Okay, so that's about like 2 cup. Okay, we have a salt. We have 1 ounces of oil, canola oil, and we have scallion. Okay, if you don't have scallion, you can only use salt. We're gonna cut it and clean it, wash it. Okay, we are about to use 3 cups of water for that rice. All right, let's just put our fire on. I'm gonna eat it with my chicken and black bean sauce, but next time I will show you guys about the black bean sauce, how to make it. But today we're just gonna focus on the rice. Let's just pour our oil, and by the time the oil is getting hot, we clean the scallion and cut it, and we're gonna fry it into the oil. And we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt in it as well. Okay, that should be more than enough for my rice. I won't put any more salt after that. And if you make a mistake, you put too much, when you put in the water, you can add more water, and after that you can take some water out. You can fix it before you put your rice, or if you need some more after you put the water, you can add some more. Make sure you taste the water before you add the rice. So now let's stir in it well, because you want the scallion to fry until it just get a little brown color before you add your water. Okay, we're stirring it, and we're gonna leave it for it to be cooked. And guys, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and share with your friends. Now let's just pour some water. I'm gonna put another one. That's about with 3 cups. Okay, 2 cup of rice, you need 3 cups of water. Now we add another one. That's about exactly 3 cups of water. So now when the water is boiling and steaming, you can start washing your rice. Do not wash your rice and let it sit here. Make sure you only wash your rice when the water is boiling. Okay, and then we clean it with cold water. Okay, make sure you check the rice before you even wash it, because sometimes it's dirty, there's some stuff on it you don't want to eat. You take it out, and now you start washing your rice. You're gonna wash it until you see the water is not cloud. You need the water to be just a little crystal color, nice. All right, and then don't use hot water, use cold water. As you can see, the water is not too bad anymore, it's not too cloud. So we're gonna go ahead and add the rice into the boiled water. I tasted the salt that I put is perfect. We add the rice. Okay, we're gonna add it some more. It's so funny. I mean, I'm just gonna use my hand for the rest of it. Don't worry, my hand is clean. Okay, now you wanna stir in it because you don't want big chunk onto the rice, like the water. You don't want it because if you don't do that, some of them gonna be cooked and some of them not. Make sure you stir in
Okay.
it well and let it
And then you
sit
let it
there
like a little bit
to cook.
dry before you cover it,
And
okay?
then like after like
Thank you.
10 minutes, you go ahead and check it. And then you just turn it around. Make sure you get everything together from the bottom to the top and you cover it again. And then you put the volume down. It was on high and then now I'm putting it like on the 5 or 6. So you want to take the scallion out because otherwise it's going to dirty your rice. After you see your rice is cooked, you can just take it out. You don't have to leave it until you serve your food. I like to add a little bit of oil, okay, and spread it around and mix it and cover it for 5 more minutes. And then, as you can see right now, my rice is already done. It's so puffy, it's not too mushy. It's so nice. Look at that. Very nice rice. So that's how I serve it with black bean sauce and chicken and white rice. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you share. Thank you for your love and your support. See you next time for another video. Bye bye.